In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Steam Music. If you use Steam and want your own tracks playing while you browse or game, this quick setup will get your library organized and ready to go. Start by opening the Steam application and signing into your account. Once you're in the main interface, look to the very top left of the window for the Steam menu. Click that, then choose Settings from the drop-down. This is where Steam keeps most of its customization options, including the music features we need. In the Settings window, find and open the Music tab. This is the hub for telling Steam where your songs live, how it should find them, and how music behaves while you're gaming. To point Steam at your collection, click the Add button. A file browser will open so you can select folders that contain your music files. You can choose folders on your PC, an external hard drive, or even removable media. Just make sure any external device you select is connected whenever you want to listen, otherwise Steam won't see those tracks. You're not limited to one location. If your music is spread across several folders, add each one. After you've selected the folders you want, click Scan Now. Steam will go through those locations, detect your music files, and add them to your Steam Music library. Depending on how much music you have, this might take a moment. Steam will read track and album information where available, so your library looks clean and organized. If you regularly add new songs to those folders, consider enabling Scan at startup. With this option on, Steam will automatically check the same locations each time it launches and pull in any new tracks it finds, so you don't have to remember to rescan later. Once the scan finishes, your tracks and albums will appear in the Steam Music library. You can listen while using Steam or even during gameplay, keeping everything in one place. If something doesn't show up, double-check that the folder you added actually contains your music files and that any external drives are connected, then run Scan Now again. Before you close the Settings window, take a moment to configure how Steam handles playback during your sessions. In the same Music tab, you can set it to pause music when a game launches or when you're in voice chat, so your audio stays clear and distraction-free. That's all you need to bring your personal music into Steam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.